Hello everyone and welcome back to the Linux tutorial. On the last video we saw how to use the Linux Python console and also with Python 2.7 series. But on this video we are going to use the Python IDLE along with Python 3.0 series. So without further ado, let us get into the console and install the Python IDLE. Python IDLE is not part of the Linux by default. We'll have to get it installed manually. So let me go to the Ubuntu console and then apt get install IDLE3. IDLE3 is the Python 3 IDLE. Hit on enter. Perfect. So for me, the Python IDLE is already installed. If it is not installed for you, this command will help you to get it installed. And once Python IDLE is installed, just type IDLE 3 and you get the Python console here. The Python console here is almost similar to your Python console in Linux directly. You can perform all those commands here as well. But the only difference here is here you are using Python 3.0 series and there we used Python 2.7. So this is considered as one of the latest version of Python in 3.0 series. Let us assign two variables here just to see how it is working. Be perfect. Perfect. So now we have seen how to use the Python console with IDLE, Python's its own IDLE. Now let us create a Python file here. For that, click on File, New File. So you get the file window open here. Let me write a one-line Python program here. Print welcome to Python. So the program is ready. So let us save this one. Give a save as. So currently we are in home jobby directory. And let us give a name to this file. hello.py. So here I'm going to close this window. We don't need it anymore. Let me also close this IDLE3. Just give ls command to just find out your program. Your program is inside hello.py. We already know how to display the file using cat command. hello.py. Perfect. So you have the this is just a one-line command. So now we are going to execute this Python program using the Linux console. So just add this line with Python and then the name of the file hello.py. Perfect. Your program has been executed and you got the print here. So now you know how to write a program in a file using Python IDLE and also how to execute that in Linux terminal using the Python command. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on this part of the lecture, please feel free to log into our Q&A session. Otherwise, I'm looking forward to see you on the next video. Thank you.